How to enable or disable gallery sync while roaming on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen or in the apps screen, open up the gallery app. Next in here, we go down and tap on the menu key, then tap on settings. After that, in here, tap on sync with OneDrive, tap on the left hand side panel. Then we scroll down and tap on sync while roaming. Tap on the toggle button to turn on or switch off sync while roaming on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra for your gallery app. And that's it. Finally, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.